4 ways to grow your business and reach fast. What's up and welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for 9-to-5 employees and rookie online business owners. Before we begin, remember to hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Every single week I'll be posting content related to online business and additional income stream for 9 to 5. My Facebook group, Make Money Doing What You Love, is finally here and I'll be holding exclusive training sessions inside for free. So if you're interested, do check it out. I'll leave the link in the comment section and description box down below. Anyway, let's dive in now. Is to collect customers' data. I started my very first business at the age of 23, literally just a chicken with his head chopped off running around in circles because I didn't know anything about running a business. My way of collecting customers' data back then was very traditional. I remember printing out countless of papers with required information printed out and asked each of the customers to fill up. I then asked my staff to retype everything again into the Excel spreadsheet, which eventually looks like this, with customers' name, phone number, birthday, and address filled up. As you can see, they're divided into 5% and 10%. These are the respective customers' discount for the next purchase that they're entitled for. I know a lot of YouTubers, content creators, or gurus out there mention about building an email list. It is undoubtedly very good for a business, and I am building an email list for my coaching business too. I am using Everywhere. You can build your own landing page for your lead magnet inside. I will leave a link in the comment section down below. But after coaching my students with a variety of passion, I found out that building an email list isn't enough. I'll give you an example of one of my students. He joined my program because he wants to build a strong personal brand for his family's business, and he is in the food industry. It is very casual and traditional noodle restaurants in Malaysia. Food industry can leverage on the online world to boost up their sales, but they cannot neglect having a restaurant. Collecting emails work the best for online world. In exchange for someone giving you their email address, you're going to need a lead magnet. You can give a blueprint, cheat sheet, worksheet, or hacks in exchange for a person's email address. If you're in the food industry or any industry that requires you to have a physical location, it still requires you to get the customer's information from your store itself. That said, I would recommend you to use this app called HubSpot. HubSpot, I'll put a link for HubSpot in the description box down below. You can easily fill out in the customer's details using HubSpot, and one thing good about this app is if you're lazy to key in, you can choose to scan their business card and the details will automatically be filled up. So it's best to build an email list online and get customers' information from your physical store if you have one. You want to be collecting data from the very start because it costs up to 3 times more money to acquire a new customer than it does to sell something to an existing customer. Other sources pin this number from 4 to 10 times more. However, any way that you slice it, acquiring new customers is expensive. Everyone wants to have more customers, but every time when we have them, we thought it is just a one-time transaction, but it is not. It should be lifetime. If you are building an email list, nurture them by email. If you have their phone numbers, update them. The worst time to sell to your customers or your clients is when you have a product to sell. The second method is to promote on social media. If you want to grow your business and reach fast, this method is mandatory because marketing through social media can help increase brand recognition. Another benefit of marketing through social media is that it helps you improve visibility and thus increase the recognition for your brand. Your business social media profiles represents new opportunities to share your content and really present your brand's voice and personality. By posting compelling content that adds value for your target audience, you are making your brand both more accessible and familiar for your new leads and current customers. For example, let's say that a new lead stumbles upon your brand on social media. They may not have heard of your company before, but through your social media content, they are able to learn more about your brand and the value that you provide. This same situation can apply to your current customers. After seeing your social media content on multiple networks, existing customers are able to become better acquainted with your business, which may increase their interest in a repeat purchase. Plus, your customers are on social media. You can easily shoot an ad to your target audience. Remember the first method where we talked about collecting customers' data? You can use this data to retarget back your existing customers easily on Facebook using Facebook ads. The third method is through webinar. Webinar is a seminar but virtual. It is a great platform to present to your cold audience to build trust. And instead of doing one-to-one, you're doing one-to-many. Imagine you're using the same amount of effort to present, but you're able to reach more people and you can reach globally. Webinars are a great way to promote any products or services. It can also help you to grow any business relatively fast. Webinars provide an automated selling tool for literally taking any products or services to market and reaching a wide audience quickly. The webinar medium is great for captivating audiences to clinch sales after sales automatically. It is also a great source of high-quality sales lead. Any business that is serious about surviving in today's cutthroat business environment needs to generate a continuous stream of high-quality sales lead. Hosting online webinars allows you to gain access to many attendees all at the same time. Since all of these attendees are prepared to spend their time following your presentation, they are qualified leads. To help businesses capture important information on attendees, webinar solutions come with an attendee registration form feature. Each interested attendee is required to enter their contact information in the registration form before they can attend the actual webinar itself. In addition to the contact information mentioned above, hosts can collect even more valuable information on attendees by asking them to participate in a Q&A session, as well as in polls that the host can display during the webinar. All this information can be used to build out leads and sales contact. Lastly, outsource the work. All rookie online business owners start out by doing all the works themselves, ranging from customer service, editing videos, shooting ads, and just everything. It is okay to do so when you're new and you can handle everything because your customer base is still small. But in order to grow fast, you must start outsourcing your work and only focus on the revenue generating activities. Customer service is not a revenue generating activity. Instead, your mood might potentially be ruined because a tiny complaint made by a customer can ruin your mood. Outsourcing your work can increase efficiency. When you outsource your business needs to an outsourcing partner like Fiverr or Upwork, they bring years of experience in business practices and expertise in delivering complex outsourcing projects, so they can do the job better with their knowledge and understanding of the domain. This leads to an increase in productivity and efficiency in the process, thereby contributing to the bottom line of your company. I hope you find this tip helpful. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching all the way. I'll see you in the next video.